I am back for another video. Here's the living room. I like it. Like it? It's my dad's room. Hee hee hee. Right now, one sec. Right now we're just waiting for it to load, but I'm gonna do another Farcry video. Farcry 4. It takes a lot of breath. Alright, get ready. Let me just lower the brightness. Oh, and by the way, go on Pops. I have so many of them. It's so cool. I just need to adjust the brightness. And you guys can see. Alright. Let's begin. Controls. Video. Yeah, you can see that. That's good. I'm playing Farcry 4. Yeah. Heck yeah. I did another one before where I set people on fire. Bit. I did not mean to do that. I didn't even know he was there. Ooh. Woo. Look like a tripping balls, yo. Heck, let's get out of this vehicle. I don't know why I'm shooting the Just Damn. How did I die? I don't know how I died. No! That looks so gross. Whoa, oh, jeez! That took away half my health. Where is that? Get away! Sorry, guys. caught me off course now, didn't you? Y'all ready for this? I should run. Y'all ready for this? That was awesome! My car blew up. Away! I might break a finger from fire. That's going to be the end of this video, but I have one more thing to show you. My dad adopted 2 kittens. One's right here. Say hi, River. River. Say hi, River. Huh? Where's... And here's Simon. Hi, Simon. Hi, Simon. Hi, Simon.
I think she'd be really proud.
That's all. Thanks for watching.